Y'all did not know I hit on these sneakers right here. They were at the doorstep when I got to the crib a couple of days ago, and I'm just now getting to this package. I never seen a package like this one right here. Check it out. If you guys know what the box is, you probably know what sneakers these are. But these are from Adidas, and Adidas just changed all their Yeezy raffles to the Adidas Confirmed app. And I was not too hip on the app. I entered for a pair of Yeezys, and I never went back to check to see if I hit. And I checked my bank account. I looked at the box. I thought it was like something from Amazon or something like that, but it turns out that these sneakers were from Adidas, man. Check out the box. You see like this little rigid line right here. We can just tear it apart. That is not how Yeezys usually come. You usually have that like confidential tape going across the top. But we have a pair of Yeezys, and let's get into it. I know what they are now that I went to go check and see what I hit on. But if you guys are new right now, subscribe, ring notification bell, smash the like button right now for your boy, and follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. We have a live cop coming very soon over the Air Jordan 1 Barracuda, or whatever they called, the Biohack Tokyo joints that are releasing this Friday. Retail for like $170, I believe so. And I put in for a couple of raffles on Foot Locker, Champ Sports, and Foot Action. And I still have not went to Shoe Palace yet. I don't know if it ended, but hopefully your boy can get a W from somewhere, man. So all that out the way, let's get right into this unboxing from Adidas, man. Let's get it. All right, so I do not need a knife with this package. Just gotta rip this apart right here. Like I said, I never got a pair of Yeezys that came like this. Check it out, check it out. And if you recently hit on a pair of Yeezys and your box came like this, please let me know. I don't know if they ship from different warehouses or what. I didn't even check for like the tracking for this sneaker because I didn't know I hit on these joints. Let's go ahead and peel it open. You see it is a pair of 350s, and I was really wanting to cop this pair. I tried to put in like a different in clothing raffle, didn't hit on that one, and I had put in for the new Adidas Confirmed. I think this is the first sneaker that was put onto the Adidas Confirmed app. I'm not too sure, but your boy hit, man. Your boy hit on a pair of these 350s. Official colorway is where you at? Israfil, size 9, Yeezy Boost 350 V2. You guys already know what it is. Let's go ahead and pull them out, and let's see how they look in hand. Let's pull them out, and bam, there we have it, the Israfil Yeezy 350 V2s. And I must say, I am liking the colorway. It kind of goes dope with this denim jacket I have on right now. So like all over, it kind of looks like a jean material, but it's just like a blue and tan colorway entwined together on that entire prime knit upper. And I must say, I really like these joints. They caught me by surprise, man, me having them in hand. I thought they was gonna get sold instantly to StockX or something like that, but I actually like these joints. Let's pull them out. And inside you got an extra pair of laces. Since when they did this? Like, I have never got an extra pair of laces from Adidas or, you know, Yeezy Confirmed or whatever it is, Yeezy Supply. I have never got extra laces. Check it out. We got some extra laces. We got this little tag in here. A special knitting process creates one-of-a-kind prime knit. And boom, let's pull the other sneaker out. Okay, got you. I see what it is now. So these laces right here, they go into this, like, I don't know what this is, like a lace holder. Check that out on the laces on the top right here. See if that focuses. I don't know what this is right here, but I'm guessing these laces are just regular laces, and I don't even know how you would lace these up. I'm not too sure. You guys let me know if this is the first Yeezy to come like this, because I have never seen anything like this before, guys. Let's go ahead and get the box out of the way. So extra laces, which caught me by surprise. And they retail for $220. So, you know, usually when you get something new from like Jordan Brand, Adidas, or any sneaker on the market, if they add different stuff like a special box, special laces or something like that, they raise the retail price up. And these still retail for $220. We got some extra laces. And these laces right here, I don't even know how to even, rock these joints, you know what I mean? Maybe it's just like a, I guess they automatically loose enough to where you can just slide your foot in there. I'm not too sure, but I like the colorway. I might have to switch the laces out, but after me just looking at these, I don't even know how to, do I like break this apart or what? I don't know what's going on with these joints. But like I said, you guys let me know in the comment section if you pick these joints up. I'm really digging them. Got some brown tissue paper on the inside, Adidas Yeezy on the insole right here, as you can see. Got like a tan outsole, and I really like how it contrasts well with that like blue upper. It kind of looks like blue denim on the upper. They could have easily called these like the denim Yeezy 350 V2s, but you guys know they went with the Bible inspired name, the Israel. But yeah, I mean, I'm digging them. I think it's gonna have to stay in the collection. I've been copping so many Yeezy 350s the last couple of years. It's crazy. It just seems like now it's easier to get a pair of Yeezys rather than, you know, a couple years prior to this when we had like the core blacks, the core reds and stuff like that, core whites. Them things were selling out super fast. The resale price was in the $thousands. And now it's just, you know, everything is around like 300, 350 bucks, which is not that bad compared to the first couple years we got with the Yeezys. And one more question for you guys. Let me know if you are going to be rocking your Israels. I know I'm late with this video, but I finally got this sneaker. I'm just now realizing what I had in this box. You guys let me know if you're rocking your Yeezys with this lace style right here. I don't know what this is. Almost like a lace holder or like a scrunchy lace. I don't know what this is. I'm sorry guys. But let me know if you're rocking it like this or with the regular laces that it comes with in the box as well. I appreciate you guys for pulling up to this unboxing. I finally got me a pair of Yeezys. This is the first W I got in a Yeezy in a long time. I've been paying a lot of money on the resale market for some Yeezys I have gotten recently, like the Quantum Bariums. So it was super dope that I got these Yeezy 350 V2 Israels for retail. If you guys want to see a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 1 mid unions, let me know down below in the comment section. I already recorded the on feet. They look super dope on feet. So if you want to see this video, let me know down below in the comment section, man. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll over these Yeezy 350 V2 Israels at the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Ring that notification bell right now for your boys to never miss another video, live stream, live cop, or anything that happens on the channel. Smash the like button. Let's get this video up to 300 likes if you want to see that review and on feet over the Air Jordan 1 mid unions. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow with the Vintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.
Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my ass. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Watch out for those who surround you, need no funny kind. You can't see what's on my brain, I live inside my mind. Out of space and out of sight, you need me in my line. Need no face, don't need no